Take a short video of the interior of my 1972 Continental Mark IV. I did a little bit of cleaning this morning. Incidentally, I love the way these doors close. But anyway, real nice dark green leather interior, even on the seat. Very nice. Low mileage car is what you get. And this is like a carpet is like a fur, expensive type of carpet. I have to buy a Rolls Royce or something today to get that. Real nice instrument panel, headliner with the map lights, and you can get it. Rear seat with the map lights up here. There's a separate switch over the opera light, which is kind of a cool feature for the rear seat passengers. Both of those work. Back windows work. Very nice twin armrests in the front. And the driver's and passenger seat are both 6-way power, independent of each other, with the passenger being having a reclining feature. Nice shine on that original paint. Amazing. Getting close to 50 years old. And again, these doors, both of them, just beautiful. And again, the carpet, you can see how nice this is. Really hasn't had many people in it over the years. Much use. All the lights work. Had one turn indicator light that didn't work, but yesterday it started working again, so might have been just a little bit loose. So now I think every light is working in the car. And nice door panels. Only problem with the interior is it's got little cracks on these little pull handles. But that's pretty much it. Everything else is perfect. And nice, beautiful sounding doors.